Hi, I'm Stephan, the BMW DIY guy, and do you want to safely jump your car? Then the Mophie Power Station is for you. All right, guys, so let's talk about this product a little bit, and then I'm going to show you how you could potentially use it. But I'm already a big fan. Now, normally I would do like an unboxing video, right? And this is the Mophie Power Station that I picked up from Keys Motorsports. Now, normally I would do an unboxing, and I'm going to show you little bits and pieces of it, but it's already out of the box because I had to use it. So the irony is, I was talking to Brian of Keys Motorsports, right? And I've gone through several products like these, bought off that really big website that you can buy stuff online. You can probably guess what it is. I went out and looked at their highest recommended one. I had one in my car. I had one in my X5. They both failed. Neither would work. They'd be fully charged, and the X5 especially. I had that battery die a couple of times. I plugged in the brick, all fully charged, connected it. Nothing. Never would work. And I would always have to hard jump my car using jumper cables. Now, I don't know about you guys, but for as long as I've owned a car and for as long as I've had to use jumper cables, they always make me nervous. They always do. I've seen them fail once. It was really, really bad. I saw somebody cross jumper cables and they blew up. I can still see it today. So a product like this can be a huge advantage. It's much, much safer. It's compact, takes up less room than your cables. It's easier to hook up, and then you can power all kinds of other things with it. Now for me, I went through two different, like I said, I went through two of these, different model, different manufacturer. Neither of them worked, and I'd really given up on them, candidly. I was like, they're bad. They're just bad. I will use jumper cables from now on. So I was talking with Brian, and he was like, have you seen the Mophie? And I'm like, no, I haven't. So I'm really excited by this. So I'm going to show you how you use it. But what's cool about this, and one like differentiating feature that this has that none of my others had, is, for example, when we connect it to your battery and you press the button, it'll give you a quick safety check and analysis of your battery even. And I had to use this. So as I'm getting ready to do this review, and I'm going to set it up and I want to show you how it works in the whole 9 yards, I might have killed the battery in the new X1 in the family. It's like, oh no! Went running for this. Thankfully, it had power straight from getting shipped to me, and I plugged it in. Car fired right up. So I'm actually really enthusiastic about this Mophie Power Station because I've already used it once, and it worked perfectly when every other one I've ever had failed. Okay.